What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Zach, and in today's episode of In the Kitchen, we're going to be going over a quick and easy recipe to make Hawaiian BBQ Chicken Wraps. So as far as the ingredients, you're going to need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. I chopped it up into bite-sized pieces before cooking. You're going to need some romaine lettuce, some chopped pineapple, some red onion, and some fresh chopped cilantro. I have everything prepped beforehand. You're also going to need some mozzarella cheese and your choice of barbecue sauce. I chose a Hawaiian style barbecue sauce. It's a little sweet and a little tangy. And then you're going to need some tortillas. So as far as prep and everything and cooking, with the chicken, you're going to cook it over medium heat for about 10 minutes. You're going to season it with probably just a little bit of salt and pepper. Once it's done, you're going to remove it from the heat and add the barbecue sauce and coat the chicken. Other than that, that's the only cooking required. All the other ingredients are raw, and we're just going to add it to the wrap. So you can go ahead and grab one of your tortillas, and you can add your ingredients. Again, it's super quick, super easy. As far as prep goes, probably about 5 minutes, 10 minutes really to cook the chicken. Again, you're chopping it up beforehand, so it should cook a little faster. Let's get a little bit of your lettuce, a little bit of pineapple. Again, if you don't like pineapple, you don't have to add it. That's why I like the Hawaiian barbecue sauce, since you still kind of get that sweetness. A little bit of pineapple in there for some texture and some flavor. Add your onion. Again, you can play with it however you like. Some of that cilantro. And lastly, mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle that on there. And fold it. Might have put a little bit too much on there, but that's all right. And you can chop and serve. Other than that, the ingredients and the directions are going to be listed in the description. Again, very simple, quick, easy recipe with the ingredients in front of you. Probably get about 4 servings out of this, so give it a try.